Welcome to Nasher Miles. In this video, we will show you how to remove the lock and attach a new one. First, open your bag fully and keep it open for this procedure. Then open the zip of the bag from the inside and locate the lock attachment on the bag's back panel. A lock is attached with 2 screws on the diagonal side from the inside. With the help of a screwdriver, open the screws holding the lock from the inside. You can fix the lock by following the same procedure. You have to hold the lock to the gap that is meant for lock and fix the 2 screws from the inside. Your bag is ready for its next journey.